Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description. Head over to 1aauto.com. Right here is your brake fluid reservoir. There is a max line, there is a min line somewhere. Yep, right here. So you want to just see where the fluid level is. If you just shake it a little bit, generally you can see it moving around. Or we can just pull this up, slide this up and out of the way. You can see the brake fluid right there. Now I have this brake fluid tester. We actually sell this at 1aauto.com. I'm going to turn the tester on. You can check the brake fluid. This will tell you if you need to flush the system. At this point, it checks the water in the brake fluid. So we test this. It's less than 1% moisture in the brake fluid, which is good. So we don't have to flush this system at this time. Can reinstall this cap. Just get this lined up. Slide it on there. And just snug it up. It generally tells you what kind of brake fluid to use. Right here it says you can use .3 or .4 brake fluid. And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.